Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. Okay, our today topic is problems. These problems are asking in our previous year NEET question papers. It's a very important. These problems are based on the uniform acceleration, non-uniform acceleration. Okay, the first one, a particle has initial velocity 3 I cap plus 4 j cap and has acceleration is 0.4 I cap plus 0.3 j cap. Its speed after 10 seconds is. Okay, in this problem, discuss two methods. So one is vector method, vector formation method. The second one is a kinematic equation method. Okay, first to discuss first method. In this first method, initial velocity is equal to 3 I cap plus 4 j cap and has acceleration a bar is equal to 0.4 I cap plus 0.3 j cap. Okay, time taken t is equal to 10 seconds. Okay, its speed, the magnitude of velocity is nothing but speed. Then, according to kinematic first equation, v bar is equal to u bar plus a bar into t. The above values are substituted in the equation of first kinematic first equation. V bar is equal to 3 I cap plus 4 j cap plus 0.4 I cap plus 0.3 j cap into 10. Then v bar is equal to 3 I plus 4 j plus 0.4 into 10, 4 plus 3, 7 I plus 7 j cap. So this is the velocity. The magnitude of velocity is equal to the square root of 7 square plus 7 square, that is equal to 49 plus 49, so 96. So 96 it is written as 7 root 2 units. This is the first method. It's a very important concept. This is the first method. And second method, u bar is equal to, it is written as in the vector formation, unit vector formation, ux I cap plus uy j cap. In this problem, ux is equal to 3. Ux is equal to 3, uy is equal to 4. Next to a bar is equal to ax I cap plus ay j cap, and ax is equal to 0.4, ay is equal to 0.3. The time taken t is equal to 10 seconds. Okay, first the particle acts along the x-axis, then vi, the initial velocity, initial final velocity vi is equal to ui plus, that is ux ax into t. Okay, ux value 3 plus 0.4 into 10. Okay, this is the 7 units. Then v j, that is the v or final velocity vf, uy plus ay into t, that is equal to 4 plus 0.3 into 10, that is equal to 7 units. Okay, the net resultant, net resultant of the velocity v bar is equal to square root of vi square plus vf square, that is equal to 7 square plus 7 square, that is equal to 49 plus 49, 98. 98 it is written as 49 twos, that is 7 root 2 units. This is the problem. It's very important problem. In this problem, NEET question we have in 2010, the 2010 edition, this problem asking. It's a very important, it's a very important and a very easy problem. The next second problem. Okay students, second problem, the distance traveled by a particle starting from rest and moving with an acceleration 4/3 meter per second square in the third second. Okay, in this problem, this is a NEET level problem. In this problem, 2008 NEET question paper asking in this question, same question. It's a very important problem. This type of problems, it's a very easy problem. Okay, in this the distance traveled in nth second, kinematic fourth equation. So before coming to motion, the body will be rest position. The body rest means the initial velocity will be 0. U is equal to 0. Moving with acceleration, A is equal to 4/3 meter per second square in the third second. Then n is equal to 3. The distance traveled nth second. Distance traveled in nth second is Sn is equal to u plus a/2 into 2n minus 1. Then find out Sn is equal to u value 0 plus a/2, a value 4/3, 4/3 into 2 into 2 into n value 3 minus 1. Sn is equal to 4/6 into 5. 2 2s, 2 3s. Okay, 2 5s, 10. 10/3 meter. This is the very simple problem, students. Very simple problem. So this type of problem very important in NEET and CBSE level also. Okay, so before coming to motion, the body will be rest position. The starting from rest, then initial velocity will be 0. After that, the body is moving with some acceleration. That acceleration is a 4/3 meter per second square in third second, n is equal to 3. Then find out third second distance covered, that is equal to 10/3 meter. Okay, this is the second problem. Next, third problem. In this third problem, a particle moves a straight line with a constant acceleration. It changes its velocity from 10 meter per second to 20 meter per second while passing through a distance 135 meter in t second. The value of t is, okay, it's very important problem. Say particle, this is the particle. So particle start, so moving with velocity, that is first velocity, initial velocity u is equal to 10 meter per second. After time taken to become with the final velocity V is equal to 20 meter per second. So continuously changing. First to find out acceleration. Some distance is covered. The distance is 135 meter. Okay, first to find out A value. Next to find out time t value in this problem. Okay, first to given the values, u is equal to 10 meter per second. V is equal to 20 meter per second. The distance covered S is equal to 135 meter. Okay, first to, so particle moves a straight line with a constant acceleration. That is a uniform acceleration. That formula V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. Yes, find out in acceleration. A is equal to V square minus U square by 2S. And A is equal to, so V value 20 square minus 10 whole square by 2 into 135 is equal to 400 minus 100, 300 by 270. 0 cancel, remaining 3 table, 3 9s, 3 10, that is equal to 10 by 9 meter per second square. Okay, first to acceleration find out. That constant acceleration is 10 by 9 meter per second square. Okay, U value is there, V value is there, and A value is there. Then find out t, the time value. According to kinematic first equation, V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to U plus AT. AT is equal to V minus U. The T is equal to V minus U by A. Okay, 20 minus 10 by 10 by 9. 10 by 9. This cancellation. The denominator value in the fraction, the reverse, the fraction will be reversed, that is equal to 9 second. The time taken is equal to 9 seconds. This is the answer. Okay, first to find out acceleration by using kinematics third equation, V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Then find out acceleration. The next to find out time taken by using first equation, kinematic first equation, V is equal to U plus AT. This is the third problem. Hope you like this video, students. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. So our today topic is the problems on motion under gravity. Okay, freely fall method and vertically thrown up bodies. In this concept, the problems one by one discuss, students, in this session. Okay, in this problem asking a 2020 NEET level, NEET question paper, 2020 NEET question paper is very important. Okay, in the previous video, this concept is discussed. Once see that video. Is very important problem. A ball is thrown vertically downward with a velocity of 20 meter per second from the top of a tower. It hits the ground after some time with a velocity of 80 meter per second, and the height of the tower is, find out height of the tower. Okay, say body is vertically downward with some initial velocity u. This is the tower. Yes, a body is dropping with initial velocity 20 meter per second from the top of a tower. from the top of a tower. After some time taken to strike out the ground surface 80 meter per second. The final velocity is 80 meter per second. So take g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Then find out height of the tower. Okay, first two given values right students. U is equal to 20 meter per second. V is equal to 80 meter per second. Take g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, g is equal to actually 9.8 meter per second square. In problems asking take g value 10 meter per second square. It's very important. The acceleration due to gravity, it is denoted, the symbol is g. G is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, according to kinematics third equation, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. V square minus u square is equal to 2 into a is equal to plus g in the case of vertically downward, and this displacement s is equal to h, 2g h. H find out student. H is equal to v square minus u square by 2g. V square, v value 80 square minus 20 square by 2 into 10. H is equal to 80 whole square 6400 minus 20 square 400 by 20, that is equal to 6000 by 20. 0 0 cancel, remaining 600 by 2. 2 table, 2 ones, 2 300s, 300 meter. It's very simple and very important. Okay, this problem asking last year, this year 2020 NEET question paper. It's a very important problem, and this problem is very important in JEE mains level also, and AMSET, TSET also, next to CBSE level also, CBSE 12th class. Okay, this is the first problem. The next to go to second problem. Okay, the second problem, a stone falls freely under gravity. It covers a distance as h1, h2 and h3 in the first 5 seconds, the next 5 seconds and the next 5 seconds respectively. The relation between h1, h2 and h3. Okay, in this problem, okay, first so body is freely falling. First, before coming to motion, the body will be rest position. Then u is equal to 0 in this case. And a is equal to plus g. Okay, first body is dropping, freely falling. Some distance covered. That distance h1 in 5 seconds. The next distance covered. This is a h2, next to 5 seconds, 5 plus 5, 10 seconds. The next distance covered, h3, 10 plus 5, 15 seconds. Okay, according to kinematic second equation, s is equal to ut plus half at square. Then these two are substituted in the second equation, as h is equal to half gt square. Then h1 is equal to half g, g value, take g 10. Okay, first time 5 into 5, 2 ones, 2 5s, 5 cube is 125 meter. Next to h2 distance covered, the distance covered second height, h2 is equal to half into g t2 square. So t2 means the total value of time, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, half into 10 into 10, 2 ones, 2 5s, 5 into 100, 500 meter. Therefore, in this distance covered, H2 is equal to 500 minus 125, that is equal to 375 meter. Next, the third distance covered, H3 is equal to half G T3 square, that is equal to half into 10 into 15 into 15 into 15. Okay, 15 square. Okay, sorry, this 2 15s only. 2 1s, 2 5s. 15 15s, 225. 225 5s, 225 5s, 2. Okay, 1125. 1125. 1125 meter. The third distance covered, H3 is equal to 1125 minus 625, 500 plus 125, 1125 minus 375 and 125, 500, that is equal to 625 meter. Okay, here H1 is equal to 125, H2 is equal to 375. 375 means 3 times the H1. This is the 5 times the H1. 5 times the H1. Therefore, H1 is to H2 by 3 is to H3 by 5. This is the answer. This is a very important problem in the CBSE and NEET level. Hope you like this video, students. So please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.